With just a phone number, this software claims to use cutting-edge algorithms to give you full access to someone's WhatsApp account. But here's the big question: is it really possible to hack into someone's WhatsApp account using just their phone number? Is it even legal to spy on someone's WhatsApp? And what are the best ways to protect your own account from being hacked? Stick around until the end of this video because we've got some huge surprises for you. What's this video about? This video is purely educational and aims to help you protect your privacy on WhatsApp. We'll show you, in real time, how online scammers operate when it comes to WhatsApp scams. By the end, you'll know how to avoid falling victim to these tricks. Imagine being able to find out someone's full name, date of birth, profession, location, email, social media accounts, contacts, and even more personal information, all from just their phone number. Sounds like something straight out of a James Bond movie, right? But is it possible in real life, especially with WhatsApp? Can you really access someone's WhatsApp account using just their phone number through some shady software or darknet apps? We decided to find out. Our experiment. We went online and found two so-called hackers who promised to do the job for us. After contacting them, they assured us they could access all the WhatsApp conversations on the target phone using just the phone number. They claimed to use secret software to generate a link, and all we had to do was click it to gain access to the WhatsApp account we wanted to spy on. But here's the catch: the conversation quickly turned to payment methods, mostly Bitcoin for anonymity or PayPal using temporary emails. After some back and forth, we paid $60. Once the payment was confirmed, they went silent for a few minutes and then sent us an image claiming that the phone number we wanted to spy on had been successfully hacked. The twist. But then came the unpleasant surprise: they demanded additional fees to bypass two-factor authentication. They apologized for not mentioning this earlier and assured us it was the final fee. After paying, they cut off contact. A week later, they reappeared, apologizing for the delay and blaming it on the complexity of their work. In the end, it was clear, these were just scammers who couldn't deliver on their promises. We tried the same experiment with two other so-called hackers, and the results were identical. So, the question remains: can you really hack a WhatsApp account using just a phone number? The reality. WhatsApp's end-to-end encryption ensures that only the sender and receiver can read the messages, not even WhatsApp itself can access them. This technology keeps your messages private and secure, even if they're intercepted. However, it's important to note that while encryption protects the content of your messages, vulnerabilities can still exist if attackers gain access to your device or exploit metadata. So, while WhatsApp's encryption is highly secure, it's still crucial to stay vigilant and take extra steps to protect your personal information. How to legally monitor someone's WhatsApp. Monitoring someone's WhatsApp messages is a delicate matter, especially because of the platform's end-to-end encryption. However, in the context of parental control, parents can legally monitor their minor children's online activities to ensure their safety. There are apps that allow parents to track their children's WhatsApp messages, providing appropriate supervision. But before we dive into the best apps for this, it's essential to note that using such apps must comply with local laws and require proper consent, especially when monitoring adults. Top apps for parental control. mSpy, a leading parental control solution that lets parents monitor their children's activities on their devices. It's been on the market since 2011 and is widely used by employers, couples, and parents. Izi, a powerful phone monitoring app designed to work seamlessly with social media. It's a new and evolving tool aimed at protecting children by giving parents an easy-to-use, ultra-powerful solution. Scanero, an online service that allows anyone to locate a phone using just its number. No installation is required, and it's available in a free version. Spinger, a stealthy app that helps users monitor chat apps, including dating services. It runs in the background without notifications and includes hidden screen recording, keylogging, and GPS tracking. Parentala, a robust parental control app that lets users protect their children by monitoring their activities and receiving alerts if something's wrong. It tracks location and sends notifications if the child leaves a safe zone. It also includes a panic button. Legal warning. Unauthorized access to someone's private communications can lead to serious legal consequences. WhatsApp also collaborates with law enforcement, providing information in accordance with applicable laws while maintaining its commitment to user privacy through end-to-end encryption. In summary, monitoring WhatsApp messages is legally acceptable primarily in the context of parental control, using dedicated tools and complying with regulations. How to protect your WhatsApp account from hacking. To protect your WhatsApp account from being hacked, make sure to enable two-step verification, which adds an extra layer of security by requiring a PIN when logging into your account. Never share your registration code or two-step verification PIN with anyone. Be cautious of messages or calls from unknown numbers, as they could be phishing attempts to access your account. Always use the official version of WhatsApp and keep it updated to benefit from the latest security measures. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest uploads. See you in the next video. Stay safe and tech savvy.